our position is we will continue to work harder for the support of the Jamaican people in order to secure a third term, because we believe that the Jamaica Labour Party is the best party at this time to move the country forward. So while these polls do offer some insights, we have also formed insights based on our own internal polls, and we believe that there are some similarities in some areas, and in other areas we have alternative views. But we're comfortable and confident in our approach, in our strategy, and we will continue to pursue that approach and strategy going forward. In the coming days, just before I introduce my colleague, Minister Johnson Smith, you will see the strategy continue to reinforce the positives of the campaign